Hi everyone, this is another video for NPRA on how to submit your listing after you have made your purchase through the kiosk or need to come back and submit your listing later. So what you're first going to do at the main website, there are many ways that you can get to the same place. Now in your email, when you checked out, you will have received 3 separate emails about your order payment, about that you've created an account, and then one that shows your listing coupon inside. Now you're going to need some information to log in, which is the account username and password you created when you checked out, and then also this listing coupon code. Now once you have those together and your listing items to create your listing, including images as well as business information on the company that you're adding, you're going to come here to the website. You can actually click the account login and go through that way and put in your information and then go to your account and your listing dashboard. Or if you go to your email and you click this link, you can take your coupon code right here and copy this guy. Now you're going to want to create your listing because it will expire in about 30 days. And with our copied coupon code, we're going to go back to the NPRA website homepage, and under members you will see an add your listing link. Now when you click that link, you're going to select the same membership you paid for, and in my case it is affiliate annual. So I'm going to click this, and it is now showing that I am logged in as NPRA. Now that is the account that I had created during the checkout process. Now if you were not logged in, you would just simply put in the credentials that you were inputted at checkout. So start here with your listing title. That's going to be the name of your company listing. So for me, it is Amare Ingratia Smart Senior Living. So I'm going to copy this title and I'm going to paste it right in here. Now under company description, since I have a background in marketing, I recommend that you put an elevator pitch here that is suitable to your market. So I would pick my proper elevator pitch, which is about deficiencies. And what we try to do is help care homes that are plagued with deficiencies get back on track by using our application suite and our management solutions. So I will go ahead and copy my description and my elevator pitch here for this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and paste it in here. Okay, we try to have it in less than 250 characters. It's just a little bit better for the viewer in the listing. Your listing title above will display over your logo and image in some situations. So just make sure that you know that. Now you're going to select your category that are appropriate. So we are going to look in here, hospice. Let's see, technology, that definitely could work with us. We could probably fit into quite a few of these categories. For now, we'll select technology. And so we will scroll down, and our contact information of the person who you want to be contacted at the actual organization, you would put their information here. And we would go back to our company info file, get all of our information that we need for our listing. Company name again. if it's different from your organization name, because what shows up on your listing, you might want it to be different than your actual company. So just keep that in mind. It may seem redundant, but there's a reason that it asks you for the separate names. Okay, we would put our corresponding website here. Our deficiency-free page, which helps people, has a couple resources to help. And we would put our email that we want to be contacted at. That will be public on the website. And we are affiliated with the Phoenix chapter. And our insurance policy we have to get, it shows it's not necessary. For agent members, it is absolutely necessary to add your insurance policy. For others, it is optional. So I'm going to not do that at this time, but I will at some point upload my certificate. Now I want to agree to the best practices and grievance policy. If you have not yet read that, you're going to click here and put in your initials. We're going to scroll down my listing images, and we can drop them here, which I have my folder for my images here. So once that loads up, that's what we want to use as the logo. Now our listing location, this is going to be here. We're going to get our Arizona state, and I'm going to grab my address. 583. Okay, and then we can actually change our marker icon. If you want, you can kind of have fun with that. For me, we will find a heart. Okay, and we want to generate on the map if it didn't do that for you automatically, and then you want to click Submit New Listing. Okay, now it shows me that I have my available coupon, so I want to go ahead and click on this to use it, because you can actually go through and complete all of this in one step by registering your listing and paying it. So you can click here to apply the coupon code, and it shows that now that we've paid our annual dues, we can submit it. And you can reach out to your representative with any questions. So my details are here for billing now. This is all billing information. We want to go ahead and enable our subscription. And then you want to go ahead and add in your other information here in the bottom so that you will be subscribed. And then you want to also click that you agree to the terms and conditions. It shows our coupon code, and we're going to place. And once that is completed, it will show our listing in the website. So now it will show the listing activation order, and we can go to the member directory now and see under technology we have Amare Gratia, Smart Senior Living Communities. So hopefully this helps you submit your listing. Thank you again for another video from NPRA.